welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz from Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we're going to be doing another Ipsy unboxing. I know, I don't even know what to say. Apparently I didn't cancel. I thought I had, but I didn't, and I went ahead and kept it. A lot of people reached out to me and said, keep it, try it one more month, especially because August was this like luxe bag. I know there's a different name for it, but it's a bigger bag. It costs more money, but it's worth a lot more, and it collaborates with a celebrity. So I tried it. So this is the box. It came while I was on vacation. Apparently it's called a Glam Bag X. But it came, I have not opened it, and like I said, it's more of a luxe bag, and it is in collaboration with a celebrity. And this month's collaboration was with Halsey. I think I'm saying that right. I'm probably showing my age. I do not know who this person is, so I can't tell you who she is, but I know that she's the one who's like the creator, or the curator, I guess is probably the better word, the curator of this box. So we are going to open the box. I think I had it upside down this whole entire time, so I do apologize. But it comes, I did. Totally had it upside down. Glam Bag X is what it's called. So it comes in the box, packaged in there. So there is styrofoam around it. There is his newsletter, and there is a photograph of Halsey. So it's just like a book or a little newspaper thing that tells you, I guess, what your options are, what you could have chose. I do know that some of these items I did choose. This is the first one I'm pulling out, and I did pick this. This is Saints and Sinners Velvet Divine Leave-In Conditioner. So this is a leave-in conditioner. I did choose it. I'm almost out of the ones I have, so I thought I would go ahead and get that so I could try it. I got a liquid highlighter. So this is an item that was chosen for me. This is the brand About Face, and this is a liquid highlighter, and it's in shade Shaken or Stirred. It looks like it's made in Italy, but it's totally sealed, so I am not going to open it because I'm going to put this in a future giveaway. So I'm not going to open it, but it does have the retail value of this on it, and this retail value is $32. So this is how this product came, totally damaged. The box did. The brand is Volition, and it's a Glow Awakening Moisturizer, and this has a retail value of $39. And I will take it out of the box because it came damaged, but I am not going to open it because this is also going to go into a future giveaway. So this is a moisturizer, and this was, I think, chosen for me as well. These are one of the, this is one of the items that Halsey picked, and it says that use this in the AM under makeup. The soft pink tint gives an immediate glow. So I'm going to package it back up, although I just want it to be known that I did not do this. It came like this. I feel really bad, but that's how it came. So again, this has a retail value of $39. This is another item that was chosen for me. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. I have heard a lot of really good things about this. I've never tried it. So I'm actually going to open this. Let's see. It comes totally sealed, and a retail value of $52. One of the most, and this is what it says about it, one of the most important beauty lessons Halsey has learned from her years in the spotlight, the power of primer. This one from Tatcha is a favorite thanks to the blurring silk extract, mattifying silk powder, and a velvety texture that grips foundation for all day wear. I am very, very excited to try this. This is one of the things that I was hoping that I would get, only because I've heard so much about it. So that is what it looks like. It's creamy. It's creamy. So we will try this. I will use this in a future video and show you guys, see if I like it. The next thing that I got is a Laneige Sleep lip mask. Apple Lime. So the lip mask has a retail value of $22. And I've never tried the Laneige Sleep Mask before. And I don't remember if I picked this or I just got this. But I know that I wanted it, so. It smells so good. Oh, I love it. I like the feel of it. That's what it looks like. It feels a lot like other, you know, lip balm sleep masks that I have. So I will definitely be trying this out and let you guys know how I like it. And Fenty Beauty Mascara. This was one that was chosen for me. And I believe this was in every single box this month. I have never tried it, but I am happy to get a mascara to try. This mascara has a retail value of $24. And then a lip gloss. I believe this is what I chose. This is a Rowan lip gloss and it's in shade Charlie. So I think this is what I picked out. So there's the applicator. It looked just like a really pretty nude. I think that color looks gorgeous. So I am excited to get this. And like I said, I did actually pick this out myself. And the lip balm has a retail value of $26. The last thing in here is Herbivore Deep Moisture Glow Oil. This has a retail value of $48, and this is what it says about it. A few drops are like a warm hug for your skin. It calms, soothes, nourishes, moisturizes, and even protects from environmental aggressors. Halsey's tip is spend a few minutes working in this oil for a relaxing facial massage before bed. And again, this has a retail value of $48. So this is what that oil looks like. And the directions say to press 2 to 3 drops gently into your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. If serum gets into eyes, rinse thoroughly. Okay, I am gonna drop just a little bit out of my hand and see what it feels like. It has a very weird smell. I don't know if I like the smell. I don't typically like oils on my face, but I'm really, really dry right now because of the sun. So I think I might give this a try tonight and see how I like it. All right, so that was everything in my Glam Bag X box from Ipsy this month. There was no bag. This is my first time getting this, so I don't know if I was supposed to get a bag. If you have had these in the past, let me know. Do you not get a bag when you get the Glam Bag X? Let me know. I don't know how I feel about this month. There were a few things that I really liked. So, I mean, obviously the Tatcha powder is the price of the box. And so everything else in it was just extra. So I guess in that respect, I got my money's worth because I did want to try the Tatcha primer. And I do really love this shade of lip gloss. I'm really excited to try that. I guess overall, it wasn't bad. I mean, because I am excited for the mascara. I'm excited for the sleep mask. And I really would be interested in trying the moisturizer. It's just that I have so many that I know I won't get to it. And the reason the reason that I'd really be interested in trying it is because of the glow that it says it gives. So I think that would be a really cool effect. And I've got so many liquid highlighters. So I am going to pass this on to someone who could benefit from it. But again, I will put these in an upcoming video with a whole bunch of stuff for a giveaway for you guys. So I'm really excited for those, to give those to you guys. But yeah, so I think overall, I think it's not bad. I did end up canceling my Ipsy box or bag. And then I know what's going to happen is next month it's going to be like the best Ipsy bag ever, right? I mean, it's going to be amazing, and I will have missed out on it because that is always what happens. But I do think overall I got my money's worth this month. So I would love to hear from you guys. Did you guys receive this box? What other variations did you get? One of the things that I was really hoping to get was this Aether Beauty eyeshadow palette. I thought it looked really, really pretty, but I did not get it. But I did think it was really pretty. So I would love to hear from you guys if you guys got any of these things or if you've tried any of these things and what you thought. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in my next video.